मुझे आपका नहीं पता, but I personally get sold the minute I get these dupattas which has this kitten lace. It's so pretty. I think this is the kind of outfit जो रक्षाबंधन and नवरात्रि दोनों पे जाएगा. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Tanya and welcome to another video. आज का जो वीडियो होने वाला है, it's going to be a haul video and it's going to be an ethnic wear haul video. Now we all know that the festive season is right around the corner. Raksha Bandhan is literally in like few days and I'm sure कि आप भी अभी ढूंढ रहे होगे outfit options and आपको समझ में नहीं आ रहा होगा क्या पहनो. So I think I found some really amazing ethnic wear on Amazon. And I thought कि मैं आपको क्यों ना दिखाऊं ये, because if you're still searching for your perfect festive wear outfit, I think these will come handy because they're stylish but they're modern and they still feel very traditional and festive at the same time. तो मैंने कुछ festive wear outfits लिए हैं, so I want to show you all of that. But before I get into the video, let me tell you कि मैंने सारे outfits Amazon से लिए हैं. Amazon पे कुछ offers भी चल रहे हैं. मैं make sure करूंगी मैं सब कुछ description box में mention कर दूँ. आप check जरूर से कर लेना. And I'll also mention all the comments in the description box and I'll pin them along in the comments as well, all the links. So yeah, without any further ado, let's get into it. So it's a suit set haul that I have today and मैंने बहुत ही प्यारे प्यारे से suits लिए हैं. So let's get started with the first item. Now I'm gonna show you guys my favorite. सबसे पहले तो ये blue suit set है. Now this is a sleeveless kurta set. इसके जो bottom wear हैं which are basically like a wide leg bottom, थोड़ा प्लाजो फीलिंग के साथ. द वेस्ट इलास्टिक इज वेरी कंफर्टेबल ऑफ दिस वन. कई बार ऐसा होता है एथनिक वेयर में ना, इलास्टिक जो बॉटम वेयर की होती है वो बिल्कुल भी कंफर्टेबल नहीं होती है, बट इस कुर्ते सेट की बहुत ज्यादा कंफर्टेबल है. नाउ कमिंग टू द कुर्ता, सो इट्स अ स्लीवलेस कुर्ता राइट, एंड इस पे बस के सेंटर में ना गोटा पट्टी डिटेलिंग है एंड इट्स अ बेसिक कुर्ता. But when I'll wear it and show it to you guys will understand why am I praising this kurta so much, because the set looks so dreamy and this is just something I want to wear on like Raksha Bandhan. इसका दुपट्टा especially मुझे ऐसे लेस वाले दुपट्टे बहुत पसंद है and this gives me proper festive feeling as well. Plus this is a kind of kurta set जो अगर रक्षा बंधन पे थोड़ा आपको चिक कुछ पहनना है but at the same time you want it to be festive, you can easily wear this. इसमें काफी कलर ऑप्शंस भी थे but I went ahead with blue because I did not have anything in this color in ethnic. So yeah, that's the first item I got. मैंने साइज स्मॉल लिया है सब में, तो अगर आप मेरा बॉडी टाइप हैं आप साइज स्मॉल ले सकते हैं. एंड आई लव हाउ इट लुक. आई ऑल्सो क्लिक सम पिक्चर्स इन दिस एंड दिस इज हाउ इट टर्न्ड आउट. सो आई एम तो डेफिनेटली वेयरिंग दिस वन फॉर रक्षा बंधन. इट्स डेफिनेटली माई टॉप पिक. ऑल्सो मैं आपको जितने भी आउटफिट्स दिखा रही हूँ एवरीथिंग इज अंडर ₹750, विच अगेन I feel is like a steal deal kind of thing because ethnic wear is usually expensive. Now moving ahead to the next item. Next up, I got this very gorgeous red kurta set. I do have a lot of reds in ethnic, but I don't know, something about this kurta set really like was speaking to me. So kurta जो है, it's a basic kurta with a lot of embroidery on the neck. पूरे ये गोटा वर्क से embroidery है, thread work से, and it looks so pretty. And the material is also quite nice क्योंकि ये mix of like cotton and chanderi, I think mix of cotton and chanderi hai, so it feels very comfortable on the skin. I'll attach a video over here so you can see what I'm talking about. The pants are basic straight leg pants and the dupatta. I think the dupatta is a highlight because it's an organza dupatta. Organza is a little difficult to carry, I know, but ये बहुत comfy है carry करने के लिए भी. So I got this dupatta and it just looks amazing. In fact, this is one of those dupatta जो मैं एक plain white कुर्ते के ऊपर भी डाल लूंगी तो अच्छा लगेगा. So I really like this kurta set. I love how it looks on me. And yeah, that's the next item I got. And what do you guys think about this one? मुझे comment में जरूर से बताओ. Now let's move on to the next outfit. This outfit is a little different. It's not like a kurta set. I mean it is, but it's not your traditional kurta set. So it's basically like a dhoti kurta set. So kurta is this very gorgeous purple color and it has this whole neck पे काम going on and look at this, like the shine it has because इस पे थोड़ा ऐसा वो जो ऐसे चमचम वाले बीड्स होते हैं वो लगे हुए हैं जो एम्ब्रॉयडरी में करे जाते हैं and it just looks so nice. बाकी कुर्ते पे पूरा फॉइल वर्क हो रखा है. The material is cotton again, mix of cotton polyester, so it's very comfy to wear and it has that huge फ्लेयर, तो आई थिंक वो फ्लेयर बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है along with these white dhoti pants, and this has again foil work. Now this is how the pants also look together. I think these two look so amazing, and इसको मैं separately भी पहन सकती हूँ as separates also. I think if I pair this kurta with a jeans or like another short tunic with this dhoti pants, ये बहुत अच्छा लगेगा. So that is the next item that I got, and I am in love. I think this is such a अप्रोप्रिएट आउटफिट फॉर लाइक रक्षाबंधन. तो येस, जिसको थोड़ा इंडो वेस्टर्न टच चाहिए उनके लिए अच्छा है. बट इवन फॉर पीपल हु आर ऑलरेडी प्लानिंग देयर नवरात्रि आउटफिट्स, बिकॉज नवरात्रि is also like really close by, and I'm sure a lot of you guys will be planning outfits for Navratri as well. So this was a very affordable and a budget friendly find for Navratri. So yeah, that's the next item that I got. Okay, moving ahead to the next kurta set. I'm actually wearing it right now. I'm just wearing like the kurta. There is the pant and the dupatta also. So this is again a very nice embroidered green kurta set, parrot green, and I love the color of this one. I solely got it for the color because it's a very minimal piece. This is how it looks on wearing, and yet I would say it's giving that festive feeling. You know those outfits जब आपको बहुत ready नहीं होना है, you want minimal efforts and still want to feel festive. I think this is one of those kurta, and it looks absolutely stunning on wearing. बहुत कंफर्टेबल है. इसका मटेरियल इज लाइक अ सिल्क ब्लेंड मटेरियल. सो आई वुड से इस वेदर के लिए परफेक्ट है. लाइक जो अपकमिंग फेस्टिव सीजन है जिसमें आपका रक्षाबंधन आ गया, दिवाली आ गई, दिवाली वाले टाइम आई रिमेम्बर. सो आई ऑलवेज वेयर अ साड़ी ऑन दिवाली. बट सुबह जो होती है ना, या छोटी दिवाली जो होती है, उस पर यू कांट लाइक आई डोंट वांट टू वेयर समथिंग हैवी, एंड आई वांट अ सूट सेट जो मैं सुबह से लेकर शाम तक पहन सकूं बिफोर द लाइक द पूजा एंड स्टफ स्टार्ट्स. So this is probably something that I'm gonna wear this year because it's so comfortable. मैं इसको बाकी पूरे दिन पहन सकते हैं and it's still giving that festive feeling. So I love this. What do you guys think about this one? Especially the color. I love the color. So yeah, that's the next item. Again, dupatta can also be worn as a separate with like a white kurta, golden kurta, or anything of that sort. Coming to the last item of this haul. So it's this pink kurta with dupatta. It does not come with a bottom, which was a little disappointing to me, to be honest, because ऐसा लिखा नहीं था कि इसमें bottom नहीं है. It was just written like a kurta and dupatta. I thought bottom होगा. So मुझे थोड़ा बुरा लगा जब दुपट्टा और कुर्ता आया, सिर्फ बॉटम नहीं आया. But I was actually very happy with the kurta, so I decided to keep this. So this is how the kurta looks like. इसपे ना छोटा छोटा ऐसा सिल्वर सा detailing है, which I really like, and it's like a huge फिट एंड फ्लेयर वाला फीलिंग. तो इसका फ्लेयर बहुत बड़ा है, एंड दैट मेक्स इट वेरी कंफर्टेबल टू वेयर ऑल्सो. एंड इट्स लाइक अ प्रिटी ब्राइट कलर, रानी पिंक कलर है. रानी पिंक लुक्स so nice on Indian skin tone. So this is how it looks on me on wearing, and I genuinely enjoy this kurta. मैंने इसको जो मैंने धोती कुर्ता सेट आपको दिखाया था ना, मैंने धोती के साथ ही पहना है, सेम वाइट पैंट्स. अब बट इसको किसी भी वाइट प्लाजो, वाइट शरारा, वाइट लेगिंग्स कुछ भी पहन सकते हो. And the dupatta is of course something that steals the show for this one. बेसिक वाइट दुपट्टा है, पूरे दुपट्टे पे काम हो रखा है, प्रिंटेड दुपट्टा है, नथिंग embroidered or stuff, just a printed dupatta. But the color combination of like white and pink really blends pretty well together. So yeah, this is how it looks on wearing, and that's the last item that I got. So guys, these were all the outfits that I picked for Raksha Bandhan, and in fact this festive season अगर आपको कभी भी ethnic wear पहनने का मन है, तो I think you can easily wear them. Even if you're going to like college or office, I think they can be like a perfect fit in your wardrobe. You guys comment below and tell me which one was your favorite. If I have to pick mine, I think the blue one, like I am in love with that. And yeah, that's gonna be it for this video. जितने भी आइटम्स मैंने आपको दिखाए हैं, मैं सबके लिंक्स जो हैं कमेंट में पिन कर दूंगी, डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में भी मेंशन कर दूंगी, तो चेक जरूर से कर लेना. एंड इफ यू डिड like the video, do not forget to like, share, comment and subscribe. I'm gonna see you guys super soon again with another video. Until then, bye guys, take care.